Hi, my name's Corinne with CarinCoaching, and I help women and men navigating divorce process through litigation, especially when there's domestic violence components. As we know, divorce is already impossible on its own. It's a huge uphill battle, and when you add domestic violence components to it, depending on if your children are itty-bitty babies to if they are starting to be able to speak for themselves to when they get to be teenagers, we know that life doesn't just stop at 18 also. You're now going to be navigating life with this other person through college and grandbabies and weddings. Unfortunately, this is going to be something that you're going to need to navigate for the long haul. And this page is there to help you. I'm here to help you navigate that. You don't need to do it by yourself. Now, you can hire a divorce attorney, which I highly recommend, and they cost about $300 to $400 an hour. And a divorce coach only costs about $100 an hour. Feel free to reach out to me for a free consult. We can be able to discuss the specifics in your case and what you particularly need in a divorce coach. I have 6 years of law enforcement experience, and I got out of law enforcement because I got really frustrated with constantly having to tell people, sorry, we can't do anything until the law has been broken. So I've gotten into this business to be able to help prevent and create safety plans so that we don't have to wait for a terrible thing to happen. Maybe you've had a lot of terrible things happen to you already. Maybe there's been psychological, emotional, spiritual, financial abuse. And unfortunately, litigation is just going to elevate that because this is another way your abuser can get at you. A divorce coach can make sure that your money goes further. Nobody has money for the divorce process, but an attorney will gladly take your $300 to $400 an hour for questions that I can be able to answer for you. Now, I don't give legal advice, but I did go to certification school to be able to get my high conflict divorce certification, and I help you collect documents. I help you know how to be able to prepare those for your lawyer. Now, your lawyer went to school to specialize in legal advice. We want to make sure that we squeeze all of the legal advice we can get for that $300 to $400, and I'm there to help you navigate the emotions. Your attorney is not your friend. As nice as they might be, you're going to be going to them when you're navigating a lot of these things with, what do I do now? He said this, she said this, how do I respond? And that's where a divorce coach comes in and makes your money go further, because I can help you streamline those things. Come up with communications that de-escalate the situation, not give in to the gaslighting and the continue efforts that this energy vampire might be trying to get from you. And I work beside your attorney and making sure that you ask the questions that your attorney wants, write your emails in a way that are constructive, and be able to strengthen your relationship with your attorney, because if that starts going wrong, you can have a long road ahead of you. A divorce coach is an invaluable asset that you can't afford not to have. Reach out to me for more info.